Hi, if you've got a GE or Hotpoint dryer and you've tried your circuit breakers and your door switch seems to be okay, try this before you call the service man. It could be just a simple fix.
A lot of times I'll go into a customer's house and they have a GE or a Hotpoint dryer that won't come on. The first thing I do is I walk up to the dryer and I pull off the timer knob. And the reason I do that is these timer knobs sometimes crack right at the D slot. I don't know if you can see the crack in this one. Yeah, there's a crack in that one. And they also have a reinforced metal inside that's supposed to grip the post of the timer, but it expands as you turn the dryer knob, and it'll slip on that plastic post. And the plastic post on the timer sometimes can get compromised over time. A lot of customers will discover this on their own. They'll pull this off and they'll use a pair of pliers to turn that plastic post. And they booger it up so bad that they have to replace their timer. Let's don't do that. What GE has done to mitigate this is they re-engineered their timer knobs, and now they have a metal ring around the D slot. And that seems to mitigate that problem. And you find it less and less nowadays. But if this is happening to your dryer, please avoid using a pair of pliers to turn the timer post, because you can booger that timer post up to the point where you'll have to change the timer. And that's more expensive than changing a knob. If your dryer is a newer model and it has a knob similar to this one, the same thing can happen. It's more rare for it to happen on the newer style, because most of them already have the reinforcement in there. However, it can happen, and the same thing, you have to change the timer knob. And if this video was valuable to you, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.